So today I'm going to show you a passing progression, that I call it a passing progression, from the one in the key of C to the F, the fourth. So let's say we're playing a song. The progression I'm going to show you is this. It's pretty simple. It may sound a bit complicated now, but when I break it down, you're going to see how simple it is. So let's start with the first one. The melody basically is this. Nothing complicated. So the first chord in that progression is this. So we have the C, we have the E, the F, the G, the C, and the upper G. And you want to play this like an arpeggio. You don't want to play everything as one. You want to add spice to it. You want to play it like an arpeggio. So the next movement in this is, remember the melody is. So we need to move this note G, we need to move this G down here. You can decide how you want to finger it. I finger it how I feel most comfortable. You could use your pinky if you want, playing the G. Or like what I do, I use my fourth finger. And they can realize I basically flicked from the F to the G, the third to the fourth. So we ended up here. So I want to move from here. No, the next one. So we have the B, C, D, G, and the upper D. So that's where we are. And remember, you want to play it like an arpeggio. You don't want to play these chords like that. You can play that, but to me, that's for a different situation. In this situation, you want it to sound a bit more soulful. So you play it like an arpeggio. And basically, it's finished. All you have to do now is repeat here, whatever you learned here, down a lower octave. That's repeating. It's basically two chords. This is the same thing as this, just a low octave. So that passing progression spans 2 octaves. So let's now play it in context. So the last one I'm going to show you is this. Pretty simple. You're sliding from the E flat to the D to the C, and the 2 fingers are responsible for that slide. This is the E flat. This is E flat and the D. This place is C. And my 4th finger basically just holds down the G. So I call it, so this is basically adding the harmony. As you notice, these are very simple chords, and sometimes it's the simple things that makes the most difference. So give it a shot and let me know what you think. See you next time.